I just want to take the time to say thank you to Sant Ali for helping me with Forex trading. He has a Forex student beginners group. I joined that with no experience and I've learned a ton of information. Literally, I'm so confident now on how to place trades on different time scales as well, so it don't have to just be the 4 hour, and how to do the markups on the monthly, the weekly, the daily, find resistance lines, support lines, analyze charts, parallel channels, trend lines, Fibonacci retracements to measure your take profits. I've learned about impulses, retraces, 100% retraces, consolidations. What else is there? Obviously your monthly and weekly and daily support and resistance. I've just learned a ton of information, and also it helps having this student group that they've got going. So basically you would learn your stuff, you would then learn it and then practice it, and then you would then copy it and send it to them, and then they will mark it up. So that helps a lot. But yeah, I just want to say thank you. If anybody wants to do Forex, this is the group to join. I promise you, they are so easy to learn. It's not like complicated information, and you pick it up straight away. And I've done all my training at work, 10 hours a day, every day at work. And yeah, I feel like a confident trainer. So thank you to Sant Ali. Yeah.